this video, we will learn about the family tree. Raju's 10th birthday is coming. His parents have decided to celebrate his 10th birthday in a grand manner. They are making a list to invite all their relatives for Raju's birthday.
Father, what are you doing?
I am making a list of the names of all my relatives.
So many people. What do I address them as?
They all have a different relationship with you, Raju. So you cannot address them only in one way. Let me explain to you. Raju's father started making his family tree in this way on a paper.
What are you making, Father?
I am making our family tree.
What's that, Father?
The family tree is a picture in which we depict all the relatives of our family. Look, Raju, first I will write your name here. This is our first generation. Now I will draw 2 lines above your name and write your mother's name and my name. We are both in the 2nd generation of this family. Raju, now can you tell me what I need to do to create our 3rd generation like this?
Father, you have to draw 2 lines each above your and mother's names. You have to write maternal grandfather and grandmother's names on the 2 lines above mother's name, and on the 2 lines above your name, you will write paternal grandfather and grandmother's names.
That's correct, Raju. Saying this, Raju's father wrote the names of Raju's paternal grandfather and grandmother and maternal grandfather and grandmother's names.
Now our family tree is complete, isn't it, Father?
No, Raju, we have yet to add more people to it. Look, for your maternal grandmother's parents, we will draw 2 lines in this way and write their names. Then we will draw 2 lines for your maternal grandfather's parents in this way and write their names. The names of your paternal grandfather and grandmother's parents will also be added to this family tree in the same way.
What is my relationship with all these people, Father?
To this family tree in the same way.
What is my relationship with all these people, Father?
These are your maternal great-grandfather and great-grandmother, and these are your paternal great-grandfather and great-grandmother. This is our 4th generation.
Oh wow! Now we have added all the people to this family tree, right, Father?
No, Raju, there is yet another generation to be added.
My maternal grandfather's grandparents and grandmother's grandparents and paternal grandfather's grandparents and grandmother's grandparents' names have to be added.
Now Raju is thoroughly confused. That's correct, Raju. Let me quickly add them to our family tree.
What shall I call them, Father?
These are your maternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother, and these are your paternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother. With this, our family tree is now complete. Come on, now help me call all of them up quickly. Raju's head started spinning just by the thought of it. I was just kidding, Raju. You go play. I'll call them. Raju quickly ran to play, and Raju's father started making calls to invite all his relatives. Children, in this video we learnt about the family tree. In the next video, we will learn more about it through some interesting examples. When Raju returned home after playing from the park, he saw the family tree made by his father on the sofa.
So many people. Out of so many people, how many maternal great-great-grandfathers and great-great-grandmothers do I have?
Children, can you find the solution to this question by looking at Raju's family tree? Raju's maternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother will be his mother's great-grandfather and great-grandmother. In this way, these are Raju's maternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother. Raju has a total of 4 maternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother.
If I make my 6th generation, how many people will be there in it?
Children, can you tell how many people will be there in Raju's 6th generation? If you wish to, you may stop the video and find the answer. To make Raju's 6th generation, we need to add the parents of his maternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother and parents of his paternal great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother to his family tree. In this way, there will be 32 people in Raju's 6th generation.
How many great-grandfathers and great-grandmothers does my father have?
Children, can you find the answer to Raju's this question? Raju's father's paternal great-grandfather and great-grandmother will be Raju's father's paternal grandfathers and grandmother's parents. In this way, Raju's father will have a total of 4 great-grandfathers and great-grandmothers.
After adding this 6th generation, how many people in total do I have now in my family tree?
Children, can you find a solution to Raju's this question too? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. First, we will write down the number of people present in every generation. Then, to find out the total number of people in Raju's family tree, we only have to add the number of people from all these generations. In this way, Raju's family tree has a total of 63 people. Just then, Raju's doorbell rang. When Raju opened the door of the house, he saw that the relatives whom he had till now only seen in that family tree were now in front of his eyes and had come to celebrate his birthday. Children, in this video we learned more about the family tree through some interesting examples.